QR codes, one of the most ambitious things that exist. You point your camera at it, snap, and you are redirected to its destination. But there is more to it. In these series of videos, we will investigate how QR codes work, some interesting facts, and how QR codes might be more sinister than they seem.
What is a QR code?
The Quick Response Code, or QR code in short, is a two-dimensional barcode, invented in 1994 by Masahiro Hara from the Japanese company Denso Wave. It was initially used to track vehicles during manufacturing. But since 2002, QR codes started to skyrocket in popularity in Japan, and in 2011, the use of QR codes became popular worldwide.
What facilitated this trend was the marketing of mobile phones with a QR code reading feature.
It encodes information in both vertical and horizontal directions. Thus, it can encode several more information than one-dimensional barcodes. QR codes can contain up to 4,296 characters, or 7,089 digits. 40 different types of QR codes exist, and all have unique data storing capacities. There are many online tools today to create QR codes, and its design can be customized to your preference.